Today we'll discuss about the handling unit in inbound logistic process. Okay, so means you will receive the material in a pallet. Okay, and that material has to do put away in WM, manage it, store storage bins. Now I will create one PO. Okay, so this is the quantity. Say for example, thou 800 quantity I created a PO. Okay, make sure that in the confirmation tab you have selected this confirmation in order to do the inbound delivery. Now scenario is this particular material you are going to receive it, and this particular material in WM view palletization data is 100 kg per one pallet. Okay, this is the palletization data. Now it's a packing instruction is in one pallet 100 kg this particular raw material we can manage. Okay, this is the packing instruction which is maintained. And packing instruction determination type RCPT, material plant and vendor combination also maintained, in which this packing instruction is maintained. So this is about the master data. Now it will impact when you create a inbound delivery. Okay, now I created the PO. I just save this PO. Now PO has been created. Now I will do the inbound delivery. Enter. Okay. Now you can say here stock placement WM transfer order is required. Okay. Now I created a delivery. I click on save here. Enter. Now go to change delivery. Enter. And click on this packing icon, in which you can find this line, and click here, automatic packing. Now we can see here, handling unit is created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 handling unit is created. Why? Because in each pallet, the capacity is 100 kg. You order, you're going to receive 800 kg. Okay, that is the reason it is handling unit is created 8. Okay, for each handling unit 100 kg is the, for each pallet 100 kg perfume is available. This is what about the handling unit. Okay, save this. Now what next step, what we need to do? We need to receive the goods. But for that, first you have to do the put away in WM, then you have to do the PGR because it is not fully put away installed. Okay. Now this line item will create here. Okay. That is, you are consuming from this particular storage location. You are going to receive this 8 pallet. Okay. That is the reason once you created the handling unit, automatically this in this line item, this material will appear with the quantity 8. Okay. Now, there will be a configuration into this. Okay. That is, I told you in the last, when you do the outbound logistics. That is when you are creating the delivery type. Okay. That is, and the material type configuration. I created material type as pallets. That is the packaging material type that we need to create in logistics general, handling unit, basics, define packaging material type. Okay, here. We created a material type, which is pallet, and you have a control over here. That this is the packaging material and item generation in the first packet delivery. So this you need to select it and plan determined from the first item that was packed. So these two parameters will prompt the line item in the delivery. Okay. That is the main configuration behind. Now, we need to pick from the WM location, create transfer order for that. You need to do the put away here. Okay. And do the stock placement in particular bin. Create transfer order. Enter. Yes. Enter. Warehouse WM2. Enter. Okay. Now click on put away in the background. 8 pallet. It will be distributed to the 8 pallet and the bin. Save this. Confirm the transfer order. Save this. Now transfer order has been confirmed. Now we can check the status of the delivery. So this is the delivery number. VL31, VL31N. Okay. Now VL32N. So you can see is transfer order is confirmed. It completed the put away, and this particular material in WM level, you can find the stock. You can find the stock in LX02. Okay, already the stock is available here. Okay, now you need to do the post goods receipt. Click enter. Now this particular material document has been created. Then stock is also available in the IMO. Okay. This is how okay. This is how we can receive the material inbound logistics through handling unit. Okay. See, handling unit nothing but the material is there, and you will receive in some pallets, mainly palletization data. Now for this, what are the master data and what are the configuration is required? Let's have a look on that. Okay. Now this is the material you will receive through the pallet means you have to create a material master pallet. Okay. With the material type with the material type LEIH, returnable package. Okay, you receive the pallet from this supplier and you are going to return it back. Okay, here in the basic data, you need to define the what is the material group for that particular packaging material. Okay, and here you need to mention what is the material type, that is the packaging material type, that is we created as a pallet, and what is the material group for packaging material which copy from the basic data. Okay, these are the main things you need to define. And here general item category group is VERP, you need to mention. Now for the this material, it is a raw material. This is the raw material. Here you need to mention material group for the packaging material. Okay, what is the material group for the packaging material, that you need to mention. Then other configuration is same, like once you created the packaging material type and material group for the packaging. Then allow packaging material type. This is basic configuration. Define packaging material type, define material group for packaging material, and define allowed packaging materials. These three are common, whether it is an inbound logistic you're using or outbound logistics. Okay. And here the delivery type is year. Okay. LIKP is the table where we can find the delivery header date. Delivery type is year. So if we go to the logistics execution, go to shipping, deliveries, delivery type, and shipping notification. So here also there is a control, like general pack material in the item. So if we select it, then it will impact on the delivery. When you're creating the delivery, you are finding that one more item, right? Which is the packaging material. Okay, which is the handling unit you required. Nothing but pallet is required to this put aways to perform for this particular material. So this one is WM managed, but packaging material which is not WM managed, it is a non-WM managed. Okay. So this is the one parameter that if you select it, I have not selected it here, but I have done it in other while creating the material type for the packaging. I mentioned it. I mentioned plan determined from the first line item of the packet and item generation in the first packet delivery. So this will determine the packaging material or the handling unit here. And not only that, second control is at the delivery type level. Okay. Now next one is automatic packing. So automatic packing means here when I created the delivery, it does not generate the packaging material or it does not generate the handling unit automatically. Just I went here and I selected and I click on this automatic generation, then only it is generated, right? So in order to make, when the delivery is created, you want the automatic creation of the handling unit, then you need to select this checkbox, automatic. Then the moment you created the pivot, the moment you created the delivery, automatically the handling unit will be created. Okay. Now I've done that, done with the configuration. Now, if I create a PO and uh, if I do the inbound delivery for this, I think handling unit should create automatically. Okay, just try it. Now, this is the material, this is the PO. So I will create one more PO for this. Okay. And I will create for the 200 kg and just I will say save. So this is the PO you have on your hand. Now I will go and I will just create the inbound delivery. Okay, and let's see what happens. BL31. Now just I created, so you can see here directly this material will come. Now I will save this delivery. Okay, and you can see here uh, click on this pack. You can see that 200 kg, right? So two handling unit, 100, 100 and 100 is already created. It is automatically because in the delivery type we have selected that checkbox. Now this one you can enter manually which storage location you want to select. Okay, then save. Okay, the rest of the process is same. Like you need to do the put away, create transfer order. Yes, WM2, enter, do the put away in the background, save, enter, confirmation, enter, save. Enter. So it is confirmed. Now we can do the post goods. This is completed from the WM end. Just do the list. Okay. So this is how we can do the inbound logistics or receipt of the material. Okay. Through the handling unit and WM integration. Thank you.